Hello everyone and welcome back. So I'm back at it again. It's been a long wait, but there was a lot that I had to do for work and for university. So I had to leave this video for later, or this series that we are gonna begin today, which is the intermediate algorithm scripting. We're gonna start today with the first algorithm, sum all numbers in a range. So like I said, we're gonna do the series of intermediate algorithms from FreeCodeCamp. If you haven't watched the basic algorithms yet, you are free to watch them. The reason why doing these algorithms is a nice idea is because they often get asked at job interviews. So it's very good to practice, and also that it develops the kind of logical thinking that you need to become a developer, or generally if you don't want to become a developer, it kind of keeps your brains healthy, and it's a great way to challenge yourself. So let's just start. So sum all numbers in a range. We have a range from 4 to 1, 1 to 4, whatever. We always need the lowest number first and the highest number second, because we go like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we sum up all the numbers between the input numbers. So I would say that what we need to do is first get the highest and lowest number. So I'll do a const because we are not going to change them. They are constants, so they constantly hold the same value. We do not change it because it's an input that we do not do anything with it. I mean, we are not going to reassign the value because we are not going to change the lowest or the highest number within the array that we get here as an input. So min num, let's go at min num math.min, and then we can do like this, but then it's gonna throw out a nan because the math.min function just expects a series of numbers. It does not expect an array. So you can see here math.min expects a series of numbers, and how you can output, how you can use an array here is by using the spread operator. The spread operator basically says that take the contents of that array, whatever those contents are, just take them and run through the function here with every element of the array. So we are gonna figure out the lowest number like that, and then we want to figure out the highest number, max num, that's max, and then oops. So we got 4. We put 6 here, then it's going to be 6. Good. So now we have to think about what do we want to do. We want to loop, right? We want to loop over all the numbers in between the lowest number and the highest number of the input arrays. So, and in that loop, sum up all of the values to get the result. Loop over array, loop over input array, and sum up all the numbers inside of the range. So it's gonna do the old for loop, let I equal min num. We don't want to change min num. Like I said, we want to stay. We wanted to stay like that, like a constant. We're just gonna make a copy of min num, and it's gonna be the iterator, but the iterator is gonna change after every iteration. because it's a loop, and then it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it's going to stop. So we wanted to stop at 6. So we basically say I must be smaller or equal to 6, to max num, because this can be 8 or 4, and then we're going to increment by 1 for every iteration, and then we can open curly braces, but we don't need that because it's a one line. I mean, we can do a one-liner if we just return, if we just say, let's have a sum here, a total sum, and we're gonna add the iterator to the sum. First we have to define sum. Okay, so sum is changeable. It does not always have the same value, so it's gonna start as 0, and then we're gonna return sum. And yeah, so it's done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments below, and I'll try to reach out to you and help you wherever I can. Please consider liking this video, subscribing, and stay tuned for more content. So thanks a lot, and until next time.